Thanks for having us, Whiskey Go Round. I saw a black man with a Bible and a sparkler in his hand. He was holding a tent revival and running a fireworks stand. Said the end of the world is coming, so you better get on your knees. They bottle rockets 2 for 1, but salvation's free. Said I quit my job at a big church where the milk and honey flows. Sell cherry bombs for Jesus in a tent beside the road. I ain't in it for the money, most cars are passed on by. But I pay the rent on New Year's and the 4th of July. This is the Holy Ghost,
Holy Ghost,
Big Bang Theory,
Big Bang Theory,
Pentecostal,
Pentecostal,
fire and brimstone,
fire and brimstone,
Mission Temple fireworks stand. Yeah, said fireworks are dangerous and they could blow up in your face. So you better read the instructions, light the fuse and get away. These are made in China, so it's easy to see how a man who worships Buddha ain't got no guarantee. This is the Holy Ghost,
Holy Ghost,
Big Bang Theory,
Big Bang Theory,
Pentecostal,
Pentecostal,
fire and brimstone,
fire and brimstone,
Mission Temple fireworks jam. Come on, Mick, give us a church. He said, everything I'm selling, it's all going up in smoke. And this world is like an atom bomb and it's ready to explode. But when the trumpet sounds and the Lord comes back, I promise you one thing, I'll be a human bottle rocket, and I'll go out with a bang. I'll leave that Holy Ghost,
Holy Ghost,
Big Bang Theory,
Big Bang Theory,
Pentecostal,
Pentecostal,
fire and brimstone,
fire and brimstone,
Mission Temple fireworks stand. Yeah, I'll leave that Holy Ghost,
Holy Ghost,
Big Bang Theory,
Big Bang Theory,
Pentecostal,
Pentecostal,
fire and brimstone,
fire and brimstone,
Mission Temple fireworks stand.
Mission Temple fireworks
Stand, won't stop
stand.
grateful. Mission Temple fireworks stand. Duh.
Thank you. Okay, we're out of here.